Yeah.
Okay. Have you been to the U.S. before?
No, no.
Oh, you haven't? Okay. So you're traveling to Panama. Okay. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoy. I hope you have fun. So do you have your ticket already booked?
Me not pay. Me not pay. Me not pay the package yet. Me pay half item. Me pay half it already.
Hey, Avon, welcome in. Oh, half of it. Okay. So how much is like a ticket to Panama? So that way the viewers could know.
The package. The package are 140.
Oh,
140.
is that for like a round trip? Okay. Guys, if you can help Derrick out, please show some love to his page. I think you have Cash App and Zelle, right? Hey, James. TAP, guys. No problem, Bad Smith. Is there anything you want to tell my viewers, Derrick? We have 142 people in here.
No, me, me I know if anybody can send two little gift for me. I beg you could give.
Guys, if you are able to gift Derrick anything, feel free to. Just click on him right here and send him some GIFTs. Let me see if I'm able to. Guys, if you're able to send Derrick anything, feel free to. I just sent you a rose, Derrick. Hey, user. Yeah, guys, support is free, guys. If you're able to send that love, feel free to, guys. Hey, Juicy. Thank you for sharing, Derrick. I really appreciate it. So what part of Jamaica did you say? Avon says
Kingston.
Okay, how is it in Kingston?
All right.
What do you like to do for fun?
Watch movies, football, and them something here.
Okay. So are you like a footballer? Or you just like to do it for fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you single? Are you available? The ladies want to know.
Single.
Okay, single. And what do you look for in someone? What are you looking for in someone? Are you looking or no? You're good being single.
Well, nobody write no comment. Me poor and poor, no. Them want money. They want somebody with money and responsibility. We have them someday.
Aw. Hey, Avon, thank you for the rose. Guys, let's send some support to Derrick. Stop by his page, connect with him, show him some love, guys. Hey, Buju. So have you had any like breakfast yet?
We don't have the money.
No money. So how do you make money? Like, how are you able to like make money? Like live every day?
Me come on TikTok and bake.
Okay. Oh, okay. So do people like support you on here? Because I see you have a lot of followers.
Yeah, we get to go thing I'm already.
Okay. So if they're sending you, wouldn't you be able to like support yourself, or you still need more support, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, feel free to support Derrick. You click on his profile right here to send.
Everybody have a little $20. And you know, I like catch up, can send come give me like $5, I like $10.
Yeah, he has all that info in his profile bio. So, thank you for sharing, Derrick. Do you know how to sing, Derrick? Hey, boss lady. Hey, Sassy. Welcome in, welcome in. What's the temperature like in Kingston right now? Guys, connect with each other in the comments, guys. What's the weather like for you, Derrick?
You weather cool. You know, so
Okay.
hot. Cause you said the rain a fall.
Okay. And that's in Kingston, right?
Yes.
What part of Kingston?
About the Kingston. Downtown Kingston.
Okay. My morning's going good, Delroy. How's your morning? Thank you, Derrick, for sharing. Derrick is showing so much love right now. Guys, connect to Delroy Moneymaker Green. That's one of my top people in here. One of my top viewers. Always supporting. Are you going to be doing any matches, Derrick?
You want to play match?
Yeah. Do you know how to set it up?
Okay, we come on back.
Okay.